Really call for that thing. 4. I get a hole in one.
So I'm driving my Cadillac through Las Vegas, looking at all the signs and the stores, and all the bright lights are glowing late at night, and all the shops with all them cars.
Strike one.
Thought I might say that word that makes things sound good around, but instead I'm just gonna say that sound that
earned a single. Now,
is a bit
loaded. Out comes the hammer. Hammer is a serious batting average this season against right-handers. Full hammer.
Whatever industry they told you, man, don't believe it. It's all a scam. I'm telling you, man, I've seen the plot and it's all an illusion. Don't believe anything but the conspiracy and the conspiracy about conspiracies. And if you buy into all that shit, I got a mile of the moon to sell you in Haiti.
Coached by Joe Allison out of
Where's my cereal? Where's my milk? It's morning again. It's city.
Let's be careful.
And the bus is late as usual. People are hurrying to work. I'm slow, I'm
down here. We are done.
I'm getting people
okay. Everybody killed it.
Hey, I just smile and I wish him the happy pleasant day. Have you seen my Mexican friend? His name is Speedy Gonzalez. He's so fast, and he's a mouse with a hat.
Surveying the damage done.
His cousin Slowpoke says, Holy free Hollis, Holy free Hollis, Mossy.
Oh, I'm almost out of battery. That there.
Holy free Hollis.
That. All of that. All that Detroitus. We made it, not in Detroit, us. Alright. Alright. It was a fun project.
And it rained colors.
Now let's clean it up and be rid of it now. Now we can make humor out of it.
It rained, and the fish were swimming, and the lobster, and the whale shark were swimming free of the whale hunters that were to follow. Man came ashore. Man went to sea. Man was hunting. And man liked the fat of the whale. And the iconic ivory in its mouth. Plus the size of that tail would be wider than the average peasant's house. So don't think about the whales, and don't think about the seals. Whatever you want, it's only money that keeps it from being really on your desk, or really on your floor. Commercialism. Oh, don't you just adore? Fuck all the species that are in danger. Why would you care to protect them? Who said it's important to have balance in nature when it's us versus them? My friends, the animals are here to tell us, watch out! If you pollute us, you'll die. But we just sit back and ignore them, waiting for our turn to fly to the moon in June. Off to Mars, en masse. We'll go to Pluto and sail around Neptune, stopping at Jupiter and say, hey, that's Uranus at the end, because Pluto's not a planet anymore. Poor Pluto, once a planet, now just the bookend of a solar system. Yo!